Hello and welcome back to Mickey Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw Spiderman plus Mjölnir. So let's get started. The first step is to create the head. So draw a big circle. Then the eyes. A sharp edge in each tip, going down, then up. And try to repeat the same shape inside to create the thickness. Like so. Now let's go with one arm. Start with the shoulder. An extra line for the suit. Go to the hand. And a small section for the wrist. And then draw the fingers. Then complete the gaps in the hand. And then make two lines from the hand to one side. So this is the web grabbing the Mjölnir. Okay. Now let's go with the body. From this part, go down to one leg, going up a bit. The second arm. From this part, two lines for the leg and the core. Complete at the bottom, the leg. And one foot. The second foot. And trim the waist with a line. Now let's go with the spider symbol. One, two, and 1, 2 in each side. Complete the shoulder and the arm. Small section for the wrist. And then the hand. Draw the thumb and then the fingers. Add some extra lines around the shoulders and the core to create the design of the suit. Two small lines in each side. from the center going up, a line splitting the half of the suit, then a lateral one, now let's go with the mask. Draw like an hexagonal shape, leaving some tips, and from each tip go to a side to create the web. Repeat the process around all the masks and then connect them and then connect the lines around all the masks. Now let's go with Mjölnir. Start with the handle. The leash. Then 2 lines. And then let's go with Mjölnir. Do a vertical line and then try to create the Mjölnir design. Going down to a side, changing the shape. Complete this rectangular shape. And a small triangle in each tip. Connect the tips. Then another rectangular shape at the bottom. Finish this part and then going up, connect the gap, the top circle, the Mjölnir symbol, finish the lines at the top, and some extra lines in the handle. Some tips for the web, grabbing the Mjölnir. And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for new video lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!